Create stunning presentations, documents, websites, and social media content with a fully customized design using AI in just minutes. Today we'll show you how to create beautiful presentations with custom fonts. Plus, fine-tune advanced settings like line height and letter spacing to make sure every text element perfectly reflects your brand's identity. Let's see how it works. How to add a custom font. On the Gamma dashboard, click on the Custom Fonts tab. Here, you'll find all the fonts you've imported. To add a new one, click Upload Font Family. Keep in mind that the supported formats are TTF and OTF, and you must add one font family at a time. Next, select Choose Font Files and upload all files of the font family. Once uploaded, review the font family to ensure everything is included. Finally, click Create Font Family, and your custom fonts will be ready to use in Gamma. How to use custom fonts. To use custom fonts, you first need to create a custom theme. Having a personalized theme not only allows you to use custom fonts, but also lets you customize the color palette by entering the exact color codes of your brand, along with the text and card background colors. To learn more about this feature, check out our other video on the topic. Once you have set your color and background preferences, you can customize the fonts under the Fonts tab. Here, you will find Gamma's default fonts. To personalize your theme with your uploaded fonts, click Customize. In this section, you can select the typography for your headings. Under the Uploaded Fonts section, you will see the font you previously imported. You can choose the font family, adjust the color, and by clicking Advanced, modify settings such as line height, letter spacing, capitalization, and base size, giving you full control on how to use your fonts. Similarly, you can personalize the body text of your presentations. Once you have set your font preferences for your theme style, the following tabs will allow you to continue customizing your content style, including text blocks and your brand logo. Finally, assign a name to your custom theme. Click Finish, and that's it. Applying custom fonts to your cards. Now that you've created your custom theme, let's apply it to a Gamma presentation. Navigate to the Gamma dashboard, open the presentation, document, web page, or social media post you want to update, and click the Theme button. Your newly created theme will appear in the Custom tab. Select it and watch as Gamma instantly transforms your content with your personalized design and custom fonts. There you have it. You've learned how to create presentations, documents, websites, and social media posts with custom fonts, ensuring consistent branding across your content. Start for free at gamma.app and explore a new way to bring your ideas to life, powered by AI. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on using Gamma.